Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need a controller that accepts direct USB power, either a genuine wired Xbox 360 controller or a battery eliminator cable that plugs into the battery bay. Once you have that, power off the controller and remove the AA pack so the accessory fits flush. Next, plug the cable into the controller, then into a powered USB port on the console or a self-powered USB hub. Do this now so the controller can draw steady power and speak to the console or PC. Once the cable is seated, connect the USB end into the console or PC. For Xbox 360 console, the ring of light should flash then stabilize. This confirms power and communication. For Windows, let the system install Xbox 360 drivers automatically or install them from Microsoft, because drivers map buttons and triggers correctly. Make sure the cable end in the battery bay is fully inserted and the plastic latch sits flush. If it wobbles, reseat it. This guarantees consistent signal. With the controller connected, open a game or the console's controller settings and check every input: sticks, D-pad, triggers, and vibration. If anything is dead, first try a different USB port or a self-powered hub. USB power limits are the most common issue. Also swap the cable if you have one. Many low-quality cables provide power but not data. If you still have issues, test the controller on another system to isolate whether the controller, cable, or port is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.